Well, we've heard back from Dad. I'm pretty sure you can tell that, oh well, Vinny's guilty and Rex is jealous of Vinny getting attention. They definitely got 2 treats this morning. Didn't you? You had 2 treats, didn't you? You let me give you treats even though Dad had given you treats. Yeah. Guilty. This one's deaf, but he's guilty too. Hey, you guilty? Yeah. You look pretty guilty. Such a sweet boy. You deserve 2 treats anyway, just because you're cute. I'm not so sure, but we gotta make everything even.